god video. If you see the title, you already know what I'm doing. Listen, I'm gonna try to install a wig, okay? And if those of you know me, I'm not really crafty with hair, like false hair, nothing like that, like weaves, extensions, stuff like that. Like I'm not the greatest at putting them in, installing them. I rather just pay someone to do it for me, okay? Natural hair, sure, I could do that. I could do that. I could put a little curly, I could do the LLC method, I could do that. Wigs, it's a little, I don't know. I watched many videos trying to see how to install a wig, how to put on a wig, how to do all these things. So I'm gonna try to do it myself because we're in quarantine and ain't no one got time to pay for that. And I'm gonna just see if I could really do it. Like, I think if I put my mind to it, I could do it, you know? Like under these, I did little braids, okay? Look like a little bow right now, okay? I did little braids, cornrows. And a year ago, I did not know how to do cornrows. And the fact that I did cornrows on my own head just gives me a little more confidence that I could do this, okay? I could do it. So let's get into the video. So I got this wig from MP Wigs. I ordered this maybe like 2 months ago. I opened it, of course, 2 months ago when I got it, just to look at it, feel it. I didn't look too much detail into it. I got it customized. So, I mean, I didn't look too much in the customization of what it looks like. So, we gonna see if it's good in it. I got a 12-inch bob in black. I don't know if there's more to it. Yeah, just 12-inch in black. That's really it. I don't know what type of lace it is. If it's HD lace, transparent lace, right? It don't look like transparent lace or HD lace from what it looks like. I don't know. It's just some lace, okay? It's lace. I don't know much. Listen, I don't know about these wig stuff. It's just, it's a wig. To me, it's just a wig. They're all wigs. Yeah, it definitely feels soft. Here's the hair. It doesn't, I mean, it's not shedding. It looks a little shiny. It's just all black. Here it is. I think it's like, what do people say, like 13x6 or something, ear to ear. I don't freaking know. Here's the lace. I asked for it to be bleached and plucked, so I'm just gonna, let's see. Okay, so here's the front. The front is definitely plucked. I don't know if you guys can see that. The front's plucked. Here where it was bleached. What I'm doing. I generally do not know what I'm doing. I'm gonna just try to put it on and act like I know what I'm doing. Nigga, I look like Andre 3000. I'm giving you Andre 3000. Oh god. Okay. Why am I so scared? Okay. Okay. I can't put, I didn't cut off the lace. I just cut. Ooh, okay. 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 We got 3 sections. Okay. The foundation on. Cool. Not much of that styling gel. And we're gonna take some of this. We're just gonna spray. And then we're just gonna mix. I should have put this in a container, but at this point it's too late. We're just gonna mix it up. We're just gonna put it right here. And just pray this works, because so now I'm just gonna take this and just cut, because oh god. Okay, I'm gonna just take this and cut, and hopefully this is dry and I didn't mess it up. I'm about to cut this lace and I don't even know if I want to cut it. Like, I'm just gonna have to do it. Like, oh, Honey. This is a mess. Where is the damn thing? Okay. This is a total mess. Okay. Doing anything from me right now. It's really not. Okay. Okay. We're just gonna, yeah. Okay. Okay, looks way better. See what I could do with this side of my hair, because girl, don't even ask me. What is that? What is that? I don't know. It's not the biggest of deals. It's not the end of the world, but I'm gonna flat iron it off camera and try to make baby hairs and stick this part a little down better and come back, because I'm gonna get mad. I'm gonna have to call Khadijah because so honey, I don't know about this process that I did just now.
Free spray.
Mm-hmm.
And then tie it down.
Mm-hmm.
Free spray or hold. I think holding spray works better, but you can use free spray. And
Okay.
you tie it down, and then while you're tying it down, you flat iron your hair. And then by the time you're done flat ironing your hair, it should be laid or whatever.
Mm-hmm.
And then you put makeup because the hairline's gonna look ashy. It always looks ashy.
Oh, it's looking ashy right now, honey.
You need a hot comb. You should buy my hot comb.
Girl, I need every damn thing.
How is that part? If you have mousse, like how is that gonna like that? I don't know.
Girl, I don't know. I'm go to the bathroom and try to fix this, okay? So yeah. So we're back, and as you see, I put some TLC and a lot of effort into this goddamn wig. I burned my neck. The lace lifted quite a few times on the sides, but I covered it. I don't care. Baby hairs, I had to spray some water, spray the gel back. Do it again, do it again, do it again. I put on the wig and it's on my head, secured. Okay, I'm Edna mode in this. So I mean, I flat ironed it. There wasn't much to it. I just flat ironed it, and yeah. And I just took a little, I don't know, took a little razor and choop 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 choops on both sides. And I put a lot of water and hairspray on the top to kind of make this flat, because I do not have a hot comb, but that's not the biggest of deals to me, to be honest. I'm not mad about it. Look, I just gotta fix this part. Let me just comb this back. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad. I put a little bit of makeup. Maybe I'll just put some more just to press in, so you can't really see like if I had lace on that little side. I think I look pretty cute. Like, I think I look pretty cute. What do you guys think? That's what we're doing today. Doesn't name everyone's short hair, but I think I did pretty good. Y'all let me know if it was a fail or not. Just know this side is not about to be shown on camera. And this side, we finessed the heck out of this part, because honey, I think I did pretty good. Y'all let me know if it's a fail or not. If it's fail, I'll never do it again, and I'll go to someone to do my hair all the time now because that was very discouraging. So subscribe, hit notification bell. Yeah, this wig is really nice. It feels very soft, very silky, feels great. Yeah, there wasn't much to say about it. I didn't go in and repluck it again because nigga, I don't know how to do that shit, and I don't think I needed it for the sides. I thought I probably needed it for the sides, but I don't. The front was okay. It doesn't shed. It's very silky smooth. It feels thin, but at the same time, like, it's not really super thin, but you know, I finessed it. We did it. If you want any if you like this wig and you want to try it out, I'll leave a link in the description. I don't know why I rolled it. I'll leave the link in the description, and I'll leave the specs of this wig, if I can, in the description box as well. And yeah, this is just the video. Tell me how I did. Tell me how I did. Tell me how I did.